Hi private practice owners! Two of the most important steps in billing health insurance is understanding what health plans are and checking on eligibility, benefits and authorizations before providing service to your clients and billing health insurance. But what do all of these terms even mean? I got you covered. I will explain all of them in today's video. And if you're interested in learning the ins and outs of insurance billing, I have a free on-demand video course covering everything from insurance credentialing through coding all the way to getting paid by health insurance. I included the link for you to enroll and other resources below this video. Before I dive in, if you're watching this video on YouTube, click the subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed to our channel, click on the bell icon to get notifications about our new videos that cover private practice, billing, and entrepreneurial topics. Let's get started. Insurance plans fall under two main designations: the HMO, which is Health Maintenance Organization, and the PPO, which is Preferred Provider Organization. If a client is a part of an HMO, the client must choose an in-network provider or pay for it on his or her own. People with HMOs also more often need to meet deductibles to start receiving full reimbursements. That means that until deductible is met, the client is responsible for the cost. A PPO offers clients more flexibility. In many cases, a client can choose their own provider and insurance will cover the costs. This means that a therapist might be able to be reimbursed at the higher rate for a client with a PPO versus an HMO. However, PPOs are becoming more restrictive nowadays, so it's not uncommon for a PPO to pay therapists at the same rate as someone who has an HMO. Also keep in mind, as a provider, you may have to apply for an HMO and PPO plans separately. For example, it is possible that you could be accepted as a part of insurance company's PPO, but not with their HMO. So always check on that. And HMOs tend to be more competitive for therapists and their panels close more quickly. Another thing you should check before submitting claims is your client's eligibility. So eligibility refers to the date of the client's benefits become effective. So any claims before that date would not be eligible for payment. You basically wouldn't get paid for the service. Eligibility is sometimes found on the client's card. However, if they have an old card, the information may not be correct. Many health plans now have provider portals where you can verify eligibility and benefits of your clients. If that's not available, a quick call to the number on the back of the card will get you to the member services who can also verify eligibility for you on the phone. Some EHRs, for example TheraPlatform, also have integrated eligibility checks, so you can check before each session on the platform if the patient basically has an active insurance. A little tip here, verify all the benefits before each session, as your client's insurance situation can change, of course. So far we have verified the plan eligibility, meaning if the client has active insurance. Another thing you should also verify before each session are the benefits. So benefits are the services that the insurance plan will pay for and the rate. So benefits are not just your contracted rate. Benefits also designate the members responsibility in form of deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurances. If the client has primary and secondary plans, those will need to be coordinated as well. As with eligibility, some information may be on your client's insurance card. Again, you can try to log into the provider's portal where you can verify both eligibility and benefits, or call them directly, or use an EHR to verify this information as well too. Another thing you should check on before submitting any claims is prior authorizations, like certain medical services, therapy, and mental health services sometimes require prior authorization. Prior authorization sometimes is referred to as pre-authorization, and it means that you have to get authorization from the insurance company before providing a particular service. Depending on the service, pre-authorization may require a PCP referral, so primary care physician referral, information on the current diagnosis or reason for requesting services, your planned treatment plan or level of care, and any other specified information to determine medical necessity and eligibility for the service requested. Some insurance companies allow for several outpatient sessions before requiring authorizations. Others require authorization before starting any services. Still, others only require it for high-level care, like intensive outpatient or inpatient or residential. So the best practice is to check if you need pre-authorization and what are the requirements for every new client when you check eligibility and benefits. And if you don't get pre-authorization from the insurance and you did see a client and try to bill, they may actually not pay you for the service. So always check if you need to have pre-authorizations and what paperwork is needed from the insurance as well. There you have it, understanding health insurance plans. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know by clicking the like icon below. And if you want to learn the ins and outs of insurance billing, check out our free on-demand video course. I included the link for you to enroll below this video and some other resources. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Have a great day and see you next time.